Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still moving inside this falling wedge pattern. Right now, it is moving above the support, and at the same time, on the smaller time frame, Bitcoin is inside this descending triangle. And in today's video, we will take a look at these moves. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, I would like to share this news with you, which is Bitcoin gets recognition as a mode of payment in Russia by a city court. And here we have the details in a case where two Russian citizens extorted more than 55 million rubles, close to 1 million US dollars in a digital assets, and 5 million rubles, almost 90,000 US dollars in cash from a man in the court trial has led to a passive recognition of crypto as a mode of payment. And this is more important point we have here, that the Moscow government is yet to decide on the legal status of Bitcoin. And in my point of view, in their invasion on Ukraine, in that perspective, it is possible that soon Moscow government will also recognize it. And especially in this situation, when we are in such a bearish situation, even a small positive news can be really very important. We can see that we are moving inside this triangle, and right now we are bounced from the support few hours back, and we are moving even we are rejected again almost 2 hours back. We are rejected again by this resistance of the triangle. We were at the resistance, and now we are moving to the downside. Now let's take a look at the bigger time frame, and then I'll take you to this triangle. And here we can see that we have this very big falling wedge pattern that I am showing you in my every video, and that is very important. And we can see Bitcoin so far, after breaking out this support, which we have at $28,600, it is forming higher highs, and this time it is again testing this support. Now, for example, if it will break out this falling wedge pattern, then there will be a very high probability that Bitcoin is going to form another higher than previous high. But if this support will be broken down on the weekly time frame, if we will have the closing below this support, then there will be a very high probability that we may test this support of 200 weekly simple moving average that I have been telling you is a very important and strong support, even one of the strongest support in the history of Bitcoin. We have this 200 weekly simple moving average. Bitcoin never breaks it down. You can see, since it has appeared from back 2015, we have tested the support here, tested here, and again we tested the support here back in 2018 December, and we tested the support here in the March 2020, but could not break it down. And every time it is testing the support, we are having nice and big rallies to the upside. So in that situation, if this support will be broken down, then we can touch this 200 weekly simple moving average. And after testing this support, that is in my point of view, that is the worst case scenario for Bitcoin. We can expect another reversal move, and we can see that we are very close to this support. Already Bitcoin dropped to $25,400, and this support is right now here at $22,069. Now, if we take a look at the oscillator here, let me place in the stochastic oscillator here, then we can see that stochastic on the weekly time frame chart has already entered the oversold zone, and now it is moving almost at the 20 level. That is the exact oversold point. And in this situation, when we are at the support, very strong support of $28,600, and at the support of this falling wedge, if stochastic enters the oversold zone, then there is still a probability that we may have a reversal move, at least up to the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. But before that, we need to break out this triangle. And previously I was following this resistance of the triangle in this way, but we have more touch points here as well. Therefore, I'm now following this resistance. We have rejection here, and then we have another rejection here, and here, and almost here. And these are the two latest rejections we are having here. And after getting rejected, we are again moving down. For example, if Bitcoin moves more down to test the support, that will be $28,600. But as in my last video, in yesterday's video, I told you that now it has formed an uptrend line support from here, and you can see it is forming higher lows. Therefore, it will not touch. There will be a very low probability that it will touch the support. But yesterday we had a spike up to this support of $28,600. This support is still in play, but I'm expecting that now Bitcoin is following this support, and now this descending triangle is turning into a symmetrical triangle, and the target, whether it is descending or symmetrical, are almost same. And if we will break out the resistance this time, for example, if it will break out the resistance from here, that will be approximately $34,000. And to the downside, according to the symmetrical triangle, the target to the downside can be $25,600. And according to symmetrical triangle, descending triangle, the target can be $25,250. But in my point of view, if Bitcoin breaks down this $28,600, this support is exactly at the $28,600, then we can test this $22,000 level, where we have this 200 weekly simple moving average, and that can be the bearish or sideways period. Above this 200 simple moving average, Bitcoin can move maybe for weeks or maybe for a few months, and after that it can start the reversal move from there. But in case of breaking down this support, that can be a very nice opportunity for shorting in the smaller time frame, like on the hourly or on the 4-hourly time frame charts, not on the long-term charts. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.